Have you ever wondered what the fastest cars of the 1960s were? In today's video, I will take you on a journey to explore the top legendary models, ranked based on their 1/4 mile time. A golden standard for measuring the performance of muscle cars at the time. The names about to appear are not only powerful, but also represent an entire golden era of speed and muscle car design. If you love the roar of a V8 engine and the thrill of a car speeding off in just a few seconds, you can't miss this ride. Number 10. 1969 AMC AMX 390. As you all know, in the world of American muscle cars in the 1960s, where giants like Ford, GM, and Mopar dominated the streets, the AMC AMX 390 was a small player, but not easily forgotten. With its unique and compact two-seat fastback design, the AMX offered a pure, sporty feel, standing out completely from the rest. Hidden behind that compact design was a 390 cubic inch V8 engine, producing around 315 horsepower, enough to complete the 1/4 mile in about 14.2 seconds. While this number may not have made the AMX the fastest on the list, it showed AMC's seriousness about entering the true muscle car world. In just 3 years of production, the AMX left a distinct mark, not only due to its impressive performance, but also because of its rarity and bold design. Today, the AMC AMX 390 is highly regarded by collectors as a forgotten gem, representing the competitive spirit and boundary-pushing creativity of the 1960s. Number 9. 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396. It's hard to talk about classic muscle cars without mentioning the Chevelle SS 396. With its powerful appearance, aggressive grille, and sharp lines, the Chevelle SS not only catches the eye, but also boasts the kind of performance that makes an impression on the drag strip. At the heart of the car is a 396 cubic inch V8 engine, producing around 375 horsepower in the top version. With this power, the Chevelle SS can complete the 1/4 mile in about 14.2 seconds, an impressive time at the time, putting it on par with many more famous competitors in terms of brand recognition. What makes the Chevelle SS special is not just its performance, but also the perfect combination of power, style, and a nostalgic driving experience. This is a car where the driver can distinctly feel every throttle push and gear shift. A truly authentic classic muscle car experience. Today, the Chevelle SS 396 remains a sought-after collector's item, a symbol of an era where muscle and style always went hand in hand. Number 8. 1965 Pontiac GTO Tri-Power. As one of the cars that coined the term muscle car, the GTO Tri-Power embodies the pioneering spirit and outstanding performance of the 1960s. This special version was equipped with a 389 cubic inch V8 engine with 3 carburetors, giving rise to the famous Tri-Power name, allowing the car to accelerate powerfully and respond to throttle inputs with extreme sensitivity. With this setup, the GTO could complete the 1/4 mile in around 14.05 seconds, a remarkable time at the time of its release. The strong acceleration was further supported by a road-gripping drivetrain and a 4-speed manual transmission, providing an exciting, lively, and uncompromising driving experience. However, like many of the early muscle cars, the GTO Tri-Power wasn't equipped with many modern conveniences. Everything was focused purely on performance. This made the Pontiac GTO Tri-Power a cool choice, not just for its speed, but also for its historical significance. Today, the GTO Tri-Power is still considered a gem in the world of classic cars, a vivid testament to the iconic car that sparked a revolution in street speed across America. Number 7. 1969. Ford Mustang Boss 429. It's hard to believe that a Mustang could become so incredibly rare and special. This particular Mustang was created by Ford to homologate the massive 429 engine for NASCAR racing, resulting in one of the rarest and most unique Mustangs ever produced. Beneath its unassuming exterior lies a 429 cubic inch V8 engine, specially designed with a hemispherical combustion chamber and a high-performance camshaft. Although Ford modestly claimed it produced only 375 horsepower, many believe the actual number was much higher. With this power, the car could complete the 1/4 mile in about 13.6 seconds. An impressive feat for a machine with a large weight and quite wild temperament. To fit this massive engine into the Mustang's small engine bay, Ford had to completely redesign the front end of the car. Due to the complexity of the design, only 1,359 Boss 429s were produced in 1969, making it one of the rarest Mustangs ever built. If you had the chance to get your hands on an original Boss 429, would you dare to let your heart race for such a wild and rare muscle machine? Number 6. 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona 426 Hemi. It's hard to take your eyes off a car with such a bold design that breaks all conventions. With its long, pointed nose and towering rear wing, the Charger Daytona was not just made to turn heads. It was created with one singular purpose: to dominate the NASCAR track. And to achieve that, Dodge had to produce a legal street version, leading to the creation of one of the most unique muscle cars ever to hit the streets. Beneath its aerodynamic shell lies the Dodge Charger Daytona engine, a symbol of Mopar's power. With around 425 horsepower, the car could complete the 1/4 mile in about 13.3 seconds, an impressive time for a large car with an experimental aerodynamic design. In total, only 503 Daytonas were produced to meet NASCAR's uniformity requirements, and most of them have become rare collector's items. This is not just a speed machine. It is an irreplaceable symbol of the golden era of American muscle cars. Number 5. 1966 Plymouth Satellite 426 Street Hemi. When it comes to a car that represents the pure muscle power of Mopar in the 1960s, the 426 Street Hemi is a name that cannot be left out. Installed in the 1966 Plymouth Satellite, the Hemi engine, nicknamed the Elephant engine, is not only massive in size, but also boasts exceptional power on both the track and the street. With an official 425 horsepower, and likely much higher in reality, this 426 cubic inch V8 engine allows the Satellite to complete the 1/4 mile in about 13.5 seconds, an achievement that made many competitors wary at the time. The strength of the Street Hemi lies not only in its speed, but also in its durability, stability, and the ability to deliver power extremely efficiently thanks to its unique hemispherical combustion chamber design. Though it was a commercial version, many technical details of the Street Hemi were directly sourced from NASCAR race cars, providing a driving experience that was incredibly authentic and powerful. With its heavy weight and untamable engine, this car was not for beginners. It was for those who truly desired to master horsepower. It's hard to believe such a powerful machine once rolled on the streets. Number 4. 1969 Chevrolet COPO Camaro 427. No need for a Z28 or SS badge. The COPO version of the Camaro is the real monster lurking on the streets. Born through a special ordering system called the Central Office Production Order, this Camaro bypassed the usual GM limits and packed something few expected: a 427 cubic inch V8 engine, a powerful big block originally designed for high-performance Corvette models. Delivering around 425 horsepower, the L72 engine allowed the COPO Camaro to accelerate fiercely, completing the 1/4 mile in about 12.5 seconds, faster than many muscle cars with similar configurations. Although only around 1,000 Copo Camaro 427s were produced, it came equipped with performance components such as a limited slip differential and an improved suspension system, helping to transfer all that power efficiently to the road. In terms of design, the COPO Camaro wasn't overly elaborate. It was almost disguised as a regular Camaro, yet it housed the power of a race car. This is the perfect example of the saying, "Never judge a car's power by its looks." Number 3. 1966 Chevy Corvette 427 L72. With its sleek design and powerful 427 L72 big block engine, the 1966 Corvette is the perfect blend of speed and sporty design. At the heart of the car is a 427 cubic inch V8 engine with a high-performance camshaft, large cylinder heads, and an 11.0:1 compression ratio, producing an official 425 horsepower. But in reality, it could reach nearly 450 horsepower. What's noteworthy is that the Corvette used a lightweight chassis and a sporty configuration, allowing it to accelerate powerfully while maintaining grip and stability. The result was a 1/4 mile time of just 12.8 seconds, on par with many dedicated drag cars of the time, but with a sleeker body and more luxurious demeanor. Only about 5,500 Corvettes were equipped with the L72 engine in 1966, making it rare and highly valued among collectors. Today, the Corvette 427 L72 is not just a symbol of performance, but also a place where mechanical passion is expressed through every rev and the roar of its exhaust. Number 2. 1968 Plymouth Barracuda Hemi. With a 426 cubic inch Hemi 5.8 engine so powerful that just the sound of the engine starting is enough to make anyone hesitate to press the gas, the 1968 Barracuda was built with one singular purpose: to dominate the drag strip. Featuring the legendary hemispherical combustion chamber, it produced over 425 horsepower, allowing the car to complete the 1/4 mile in about 11 seconds, making it one of the fastest cars ever to roll out of the factory. What's special is that the Barracuda HEMI wasn't intended for regular consumers. Only about 50 Barracuda Hemis were produced for NHRA Superstock racing purposes. These cars were built by Hurst Performance, renowned for constructing race-specific vehicles. The engine was hand-assembled, the body was lightened to the extreme, even removing soundproofing, heating, and basic interior features. Each Barracuda Hemi was a pure, no-compromise racing tool. It wasn't just a symbol of performance, but also represented an era when manufacturers were willing to go all in for victory. With its incredible speed and severely limited production, this car will forever be an integral part of the American drag racing legend. Number 1. 1968 Dodge HEMI Dart. Don't let its simple appearance fool you. This is one of the most fearsome sleepers ever to appear on the drag strip. Instead of choosing a large, bulky model, they opted for a compact Dart as the foundation for a drag racing monster. The result was the 1968 Hemi Dart, a speed machine disguised under a modest shell. What's unbelievable is that Dodge crammed a 426 HEMI V8, typically reserved for larger vehicles, into the small Dart body. The result was a car that could complete the 1/4 mile in about 10.9 to 11 seconds, surpassing nearly all competitors of the time. To achieve this, Dodge partnered with Hurst to create an unprecedented lightweight configuration. fiberglass body panels, thin glass, no radio, no heating, no soundproofing, all stripped away for the sake of performance. The suspension, drive shaft, and rear axle were also refined to handle the immense torque from the engine. With only 80 units produced, all of which were non-street legal, the Hemi Dart was never considered a mass-produced vehicle. No badges, no flash, but a true symbol of an era when the passion for speed was more important than anything else. And those are the fastest muscle machines of the 1960s on the 1/4 mile, each one carrying its own story, a legendary engine, and an era where speed was everything. From purpose-built race cars to limited production versions, they were not only fast, but also helped shape American car culture for decades. Which car impressed you the most from this list? Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of the exciting videos coming up next. See you all again soon.